Ladies and gentlemen, the Leasing Cowboy is on site in Liberty Park, Alabama.
Yeehaw!
Showcasing a beautiful space today. 2,500 square foot end cap opportunity. Come with me, take a look inside at how beautiful this is. Anybody else here hungry? I know I am. We've got a kitchen ready to go. Plenty of parking. You need a drive-through? We can make that happen. Ladies and gentlemen, the Leasing Cowboy is sitting on one of his all-time favorite spots, a bar stool at a bar, but his glass is empty because there's nobody here to serve him. Maybe you can help him out. Giddy up!